Rafael Menjívar Ochoa, August 17, 1959 in San Salvador, April 27, 2011 in San Salvador, was a Salvadoran writer, novelist, journalist and translator. Life. His father, the economist Rafael Menjívar Ochoa, was director of the University of El Salvador. When the army occupied it in 1972, during which his father was jailed for a short period, after being exiled in Nicaragua, they were forced out in January 1973 towards Costa Rica. In 1976 they settled in Mexico, where Menjívar Ochoa lived for 23 years. He studied music, theater, and English literature, and published many books, his first of note being Historia del Trader de Nunca Jamás, a novel written in 1984 for which he received the Educa Latin American Award. In 1990, he won the Ramon del Valle Inclán Latin American Award. In 1999 he settled in El Salvador, where in 2001 he became a coordinator of letters, literature director, and founded the La Casa del Escritor, House of the Writer, a project aimed at providing a formation of young writers, located at the House of Salvador Salazar. Despite being based in El Salvador, he continued to be active in Mexican projects, publishing books there. His widow is Salvadorian poet Crisma Mancha. Published works: Historia del Trader de Nunca Jamás, 1985, novel. Algunas de las Muertes, 1986, poetry. Historia du Trader de Jamás Plus, 1988, novel. Los Años Marchitos, 1990, novel. Terceras Personas, 1996, narrative. Los Heroes Tienen en Sueño, 1998, novel. Manual del Perfecto Tranza, 1999. De vez en cuando la muerte, 2002, novel. Trees, 2003, novel. Instructions por vivir sans po, 2004, novel. Un buen espejo, 2005, novel. Terceras Personas, 2005. Tiempos de la Cura. El Salvador 1979-1981, 2006, History Essay for Flaxo. Trias, 2006, novel translation. Memoirs, 2006, translation. Cualquier forma de morir, 2006, novel. References: